That's why I just get something, I think, you know. I can't get you just all snacks because I'm thinking that's a lot because I didn't know how big it is, or, you know, it's my first time ordering stuff like that.
It's okay to get me nothing. Just remember that. It's like, I really didn't want anything.
You're so funny, Claude. Is this the same or different from the other one? What's that? Candy? I'm just so scared because I really don't want you to have like so much candy.